All we're going to do is practice in a position of a rocking step. A check is basically a rock, where we're transferring different degrees of our weight back and forth. So we don't want to just dump the weight here or keep it all forward. You have to be able to move the spine. But the support now has to drop down somewhat into the thighs on all of our picture lines. So if we just do this rock back and forth, now what I want to feel is the outside of her thigh and the inside of her thigh towards my legs too. So I'm feeling actually a support. Come with me on the bounce. Yeah, there's a support in the legs. So even though we're down, we have a feeling of up. Engaging the back of the thigh, pressing against the floor. Up. So also when I put my right hip down, there's a large part of the shaping, my right thigh is coming under. It'll come out, it's probably getting burning legs right now. So there's the down in the legs, but up as far as lifting the pelvic floor muscles, leg muscles, back of the leg. So I have a feeling of my right hip, even though it's lower in relation to the left, having a feeling going up. She has the same thing. We're basically doing the same step. We're doing a rock with our thighs connected, with our right hips trying to dance through our partner's right hip. Okay? So if I'm doing a contra check there, or I'm doing a back check, same thing. All right? So in this case, when we do the basic weave, if she would like to, because we have the sway, she can open her head, which is pretty, because now she closes her head, but not in her thumbs.
You didn't have this
Yeah.
side.
So I want to have that feeling of support on the legs. Open. Okay, there we go. That's better. Bring the right hip up, and then he puts his head back on the left. Now make sure you stay out. Now reminder on the outside change. If we're going to promenade, my foot is on the same track, pointing diagonal wall. My nose is in promenade, but we're not in this position. That's crunching at the top. Okay. So we basically feel like we're closed, except for the position of our foot and our nose. And now we're going to keep this integrity of this contra body movement position of the thighs coming across each other. So you can take as large a step as you can, as long as you hold the position. I'll do a sloppy one, see if you can tell. So out you go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, I don't know if you can see it from there, but I'm on her side. That wasn't good, was it? 1, 2, 3. See that? My legs are open and I'm coming across her track. So there's our 3. You both bring your knees to your own knee. It tries to feel like it's dancing over there. There you go. And then it'll end up here. So you see the clarity of that line. It's a pretty big step, but not a big step with an open thigh. There. Okay. Matt, we'll do the rock, so back you go with your leg. A little bit more. So moving the spine. And put more pressure to my thighs. Not my, not the brain. Now we're also going to use our bodies. We're going to feel up through the bodies, lengthening the spine. So we want to feel that descend relating through your body. That's it. And then coming out. 2, 3, and same thing here. Take a long step, but keep the integrity of the CBMP. Good. A little too forward. once again, the position for the man there, if his feet are on the same line, with the pointing alignment, makes a big difference if he comes forward a couple inches with that foot, because his spine moves forward. And if his spine moves forward, that's the space that I'm supposed to be in. So, now I'm prepared.